Hello everyone, this is Moyez Rabbani back with yet another project. This is JotDown, a Notion-like application where you can add notes in a folder file structure format. Okay, so without any further ado, let's get started. So when you visit this link, which you can find at my portfolio website at moyezrabbani.dev, do check it out. You will be greeted with this landing page, which is beautiful in my opinion, as you can see. And you also have light and dark mode over here. Looks beautiful, isn't it? Let's try to log in. Continue with GitHub. By the way, I use Clerk for authentication as in my every application. They are great service providers for authentication. They delegate all the headache from you. Okay, so yeah, here we can enter JotDown. So when you enter JotDown, this is the screen you are greeted with. As you can see, I have a few notes that I've created. So to demonstrate you, let's add another node over here like this. And when I type this title of this node, just have a look at these three places: this one, and this one. Let's remove this untitled thing, and let's say I say parent 3. So as you can see, all these things are reflected in real time. This change is reflected in real time at all these three places. Pretty cool, isn't it? You can also add an icon, just like Notion allows you to. Let's add a smiley one. You can also add a cover image like this one. Okay, it might not really fit as expected. You can change it, you can remove it. I'm gonna remove it. It doesn't look really good. Yeah, you also have this Notion like text editor. You can add headings, heading 1, heading 2. You can add a paragraph. You can add an image. Let's say upload an image. Let's say I have this Java logo. So as you can see, I can also upload an image, and this image is also completely responsive. I can resize it just as I want, just by using drag and drop. I can change the alignment of this image like this, center, right, or left. So just like Notion allows you to do. I can also create childs inside a parent node. Just like this is child inside parent 2. Let's create another one. Child inside parent 3. Yeah, it's parent 2. It's parent 2. Sorry for that. And we can even delete the pages if we want to by clicking on this model, or we can or from here. Okay, so as you can see, we have seen a nice notification over here that this node was moved to trash. That means it wasn't really deleted, rather it was moved to trash. So that means we can recover it. So let's visit trash. As you can see, we have these 3 nodes which were deleted, which are moved to trash, and I can even recover it. Let's say I recover it. As you can see, this came exactly at the place where it should be, inside parent 2. Okay, now let's say I delete this once again. I can even permanently delete this like this. This action cannot be undone. Yeah, I deleted this. Pretty cool, wasn't it? But what happens if you try to visit a node, a page, a node which is in trash? Let's copy this URL and let's delete this. That's mean it has been moved to trash. Let's try to visit this. We get a nice model over here that that basically indicates that this page is currently in trash and we should recover it, or maybe delete it forever. So let's say we want to recover it. We recovered it. But what happened when you delete a parent node? See this one. So recursively, all the children inside a parent node also gets deleted. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's say I want to recover the parent node, and recursively all the children inside the parent node got recovered. Pretty cool, isn't it? Let's delete it. Okay, and this nav bar is also completely responsive. As you can see, you can even collapse it, bring it forward, collapse it, bring it forward. You can also search between the nodes. As you can see, we have a nice search indicator over here. You can even click it over here, or you can hit Control plus K to open the search modal. Let's say I search for parent, and as you can see, these are the two things which I'm left with, parent 3. So that, and I can even visit this node just for demonstration purpose. And one additional feature is that I can even publish a node. Publishing a node means that when you publish a node, that means it's public for everyone to view. That means even the users who are not really logged in within the application can view the node. Like if I open an incognito, if I just copy this link and I open an incognito tab and I paste it, as you can see, I'm redirected to the home page. That means because I'm not logged in within the application. So now what I can do is, if I publish this node and copy this URL which I'm given, and then I go to an incognito tab, I can see the node, but I cannot edit this node, which is really great if you want to show your work to the public. Isn't it? Only the admin can change what's inside the node. We also have the setting page, which basically allows you to switch from light to dark mode. Here's the light mode. By the way, all this is completely responsive. Let me just show it to you. Let's just switch to responsive mode. So all this is completely responsive, as you can see. Let's delete this. This is the navbar, completely responsive. I can visit the trash from here. I can add a node from here. Cool, isn't it? Let's also visit the landing page. As you can see, the landing page is also completely responsive. This is how it looks. So that is it. I hope you like the project. I'll meet you in the next one.